Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is the last video in our Unreal Engine landscape tutorial. So we set up this environment in our last video and added some trees and grasses. Today we are going to see some post-processing. So let's start with this exponential height fog. So if you want to add some more fog in your environment, just increase this fog density. And here you can change the color. Like this. Let's keep the intensity to 0.01. Now let's go to the BP sky sphere, and here you can change the sun height to make your environment in a night time. So just decrease it to -1 and it will turn it into a night. And here you can increase the brightness like this, and go to atmospheric fog and change its color to a little bluish. Now go back to BP sky sphere and change the cloud opacity. You can make more clouds here by increasing this opacity, or you can make them disappear by pressing 0. So let's keep it 1 for now. And here you can change the cloud color. So let's make it a little bluish. And this zenith color. So let's change it back to the daytime and star brightness to 0. Also revert this, make them default. And go to atmospheric fog and let's turn it down a little bit. Fog multiplier 0.1 and density to 0.5. Go to this exponential height fog and decrease the density 0.005 and max opacity to 0.2. Now let's go to this directional light and change the intensity to 5. To add some more light in our environment, go to this post process volume and exposure, and here you can increase the exposure. Like this. Just keep it 1 by 1. Now open this white balance and select this temperature and turn it down to 6000. Also tint, change it a little bit. To -0.05. Now open the global, and here you can change the saturation of your scene. So increase it just a little bit to 1.2. Also the contrast, increase this a little bit, 1.1 or 1.05. Here you can change the gamma. Just keep it 1 and open the shadows, and you can change the settings for these shadows. Go to midtones and you can change the values here by just clicking here and open this icon like this. So that's pretty much it. And that's how you can create a simple landscape environment in Unreal Engine by using some free assets from Unreal Marketplace and Quixel Bridge. To create a high resolution screenshot of this scene, now select your scene and create a bookmark. And to remove these lines and this gizmo here, just press G to enter the game mode and it will disappear. Now open this icon here and go to high resolution screenshot and change the multiplier to 4 to make it Ultra HD, and click here to this camera icon and it will save your screenshot here. Just click here and open this. So you can make more changes here and then create your own environment like this. Now when you're done with your scene, just go to this build and you can change the quality to high or production level, but it's going to take a lot of time to build lighting. So do this only when you're done with your scene. So I'm going to change it to high and build lighting only. So that's it for today, and I hope you really liked this tutorial series, and if you did, then subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting more videos like this. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.